Hey, it's your girl, Key Montana from the Book Live. Good parenting is one thing I strongly believe in as of now. Before, parenting wasn't even a factor in my life. Now, for months, I'll be a mother, and other than school, my number one priority will be my child. I may not know too much about parenting, but I know that my mom is a good role model and she will be supportive and lead me in the right direction. No, I'm not saying I'm going to depend on my mother for everything, but I know that she's here for me if I need her. Raising a child is not a piece of cake, I've been told many of times. I know that there will be hard times and good times. I'm not going to use the word bad times because when it comes to your child, there shouldn't really be any bad. I prefer to use the words hard times because you can find some good out of hard times. There is no good and bad at all. I will raise my child mainly the way I was raised. I was raised in a good environment. My family stuck together as one, and still to this day, we're the same. I don't believe in God, which makes me atheist. My whole family is not like that. They're actually all Christian. My child will have the option of choosing their own religion and beliefs once they get old enough. I don't believe in forcing my child to believe in something they don't believe in or have doubts about. Yes, my child will attend church with my family, but I won't force them to go. I want him or her to be able to experience the different religions and beliefs, and when he or she gets older, to decide what they want. I feel like just about anybody can have a baby, but there's few that you can actually call good parents. Not everybody can be a mother or father. In order to be considered a mother or father, I feel like you have to care for your child at all times. Try your best to give them what they need first and what they want later. Teaching your child the importance of education, respect, manners, and to just simply be their own person are all good parenting skills. Good parenting may be different to others, but this is just my opinion of good parenting. I know everyone starts off saying they're going to spoil their child, and I feel the same exact way. After a while, they won't be as much. They won't be spoiled as much because I don't want there to be any confusion as far as me giving my child things in place of love. I will love my child as much as I can and give them what they need before I just spoil them once they're older. I believe that having a close relationship with your child is important. I want my child to be able to come to talk to me about everything. I know they may not talk to me about everything, but I want them to feel comfortable talking to me. Some parents are too strict to talk to. Therefore, their child is too scared to talk to them. I don't want to be that type of parent. There's more to good parenting, but these are just some of the basics and how I feel on good parenting. Yeah, and now I'm done. Thanks for listening. Goodbye. Have a good day. All right, I'm at 3 minutes.